How to install and use VLC media player. Hey everyone, feeling limited by your computer's default media player? This video introduces VLC media player, your one-stop shop for playing almost any video or audio file. Let's install and explore its magic. VLC media player is a free open source powerhouse. It's lightweight, fast, and supports a vast array of video and audio formats, making it a must-have for any movie or music lover. Head to the official website, open your web browser and visit videolan.org/VLC/. Download the installer, look for the big orange button that says download VLC, choose the version compatible with your operating system, Windows or Mac, 64-bit or 32-bit, and run the installer. Once downloaded, double-click the installer file and follow the on-screen instructions. It's usually a simple next finish process. Now that the VLC is installed, let's explore its basic functionalities. Play in media files, which is simple. Drag and drop your video or audio file directly onto the VLC media player and click open file and browse to your desired file location. VLC offers standard playback options like play, pause, stop, volume adjustment, and a progress bar for navigating through the video. VLC offers a surprising number of features beyond basic playback, as it also offers subtitles, as VLC lets you load subtitle files and display them while watching. Screen recording, as VLC can record your screen, which is perfect for capturing tutorials or gameplay footages. And advanced settings, for tech-savvy users. VLC offers a plethora of advanced settings for customizing playback, audio-video filters, and more. So download VLC today and unlock a world of media possibilities. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.